Hi, I'm Sandy with Lightning Tools, and I'm here with Brett to talk about Social Squared again.
How you doing, Sandy?
Very good, thanks. How are you?
Yeah, doing well, doing well.
Great.
So yeah, I believe we're focusing on one specific aspect of Social Squared, something that we've not really talked a great deal about of late. But yeah, we're going to show off some of the AI integration with Social Squared today. So how we can use that in a similar way to how people are using ChatGPT, and that is to maybe get answers to questions that you may have, and also to summarize yeah, maybe long threads of emails and that sort of thing as well, so that you can yeah, save yourself from having to read through a lot of content and just act upon the summary. So you can use Social Squared with ChatGPT, just simply getting a ChatGPT key, which you can do by visiting the OpenAI ChatGPT settings, or you can also tie it into your own private ChatGPT, which would obviously be the preferred method if the content that you're discussing is of a secure nature and you want to keep that inside of your tenant and so on, then yeah, you can absolutely provide it with an endpoint. And hopefully in the future, we'll also be able to integrate this with Microsoft Copilot as well, so it can gain answers to questions that may already be inside of your working environment. So yeah, let's dive in and take a quick look. So I'm just going to go into this Viva forum under the Microsoft 365 innovations. Let's go into there, and I can see there's several different questions that people have asked. There's one here that somebody is asking, what is Microsoft Viva Engage? Now, it's quite possible that I know the answer. I could type an answer and so on, but maybe there's a question here and I'm not quite sure how to word it or what the answer officially is. So what we can do is when we hit the reply option, instead of composing my own response, I could go through and choose the Ask ChatGPT.
Nice.
So as we click onto that, it actually provides the answer for me. And what I can do is set that to be the post response. And of course, I've got that option to change it if I want to. So I can refine my answer. Maybe put a disclaimer there that it came from ChatGPT or something along those lines, and then I can also just hit reply, and that becomes the response then from me
Nice.
about that question that was asked.
Great.
Yeah, so the other feature that we have here, if we just navigate out to a different post, so we're going to come down here to lessons learned, and there's one here about what is the MAU. That's the monthly active users of SharePoint Online. So if we go into that one, again, this could be a relatively lengthy post, and I don't want to read people's opinions and so on. So what I'm going to do is just hit summarize, and we can ask ChatGPT to summarize this thread, and it's given me the answer, which will probably be within inside that thread somewhere, but I didn't have to go hunting for it. So I can say, yeah, let's go through and set that as the summarization for that thread. And the nice thing about that is when we're in this view, when we're looking within the forum, what you'll notice is that topic summarization shows up, and we've got the MAU of
Nice.
SharePoint Online. Notice just hovering over that, I get the answer. So
That's
so
very
this
cool.
is, yeah, really useful to see questions like that, to gain the answer without even actually having to go into the post itself.
Very nice. Great.
So yeah, I think that probably concludes Social Squared for this month. We're moving into a focus on our Deliver Point product, which is our SharePoint permissions management tool in March. So yeah, I think the next video that we'll be putting together will be around that. But yeah, hopefully you see a benefit of using the ChatGPT with inside of Social Squared. And if you do, feel free to download a trial of Social Squared or update to the latest version, and you'll be able to get that feature.
Right. Great. Thanks very much.
Yeah, take care, Sandy.
All right. Bye.
Bye for now.